Now that we created our users management database in the previous video, we can start assigning rights to the users and groups we created. The first right we'll want to add is connect for both users and administrators, so they can connect to the video wall. Next, we'll give admins access to all layouts and restrict users access only to layouts in the user layouts folder. We'll assign a few more permissions for things like IP cameras and web browser sources. Next, we'll allow our users to access the web interface, close all windows button, the ability to set up schedules, and the ability to access virtual mousepad to send their mouse and keyboard to the video wall. We want to give our admins access to absolutely everything, including users management itself, so we'll add them in here. We'll return to our users group and double-click the working area permission. Here we can select a portion of the video wall to restrict these users to, in this case, the left-hand side of the video wall. We'll assign the full working area to our admin users, and we'll open a layout as an administrator to get an idea of what our users will see. We'll log in as our user account and notice that we only see the sources opened on the left side of the video wall. Also notice that any source types we don't have access to are missing from our interface entirely. We'll move some things around and open another source before logging out and returning to our admin user. Here you can see the changes made on the left side of the wall and how the admin can view the whole wall and all source types. Thanks for watching, and for more information, please find us online at VuWall.com.